Hello my dear students. Today we will learn about vaccinations and antibodies. Learning points. State what a vaccine is composed of. Describe the immune response upon vaccination. Explain how the body responds if there is a second exposure to the same pathogen. What is vaccine? A vaccine is a substance containing inactive antigens for a particular disease. Vaccine trigger the immune system to produce antibodies to provide immunity against the disease. The process: first, an inactive form of the pathogen is injected into the body. Second, white blood cells release antibodies which are complementary to the specific antigen. Third, the antibodies attach to the antigens on the pathogens and clump them together. Fourth, white blood cells engulf the pathogens via a process called phagocytosis. The primary infection. The primary infection is the first time an organism becomes infected by a particular pathogen. The antibodies are slowly released. They peak at around 10 days after the infection and then gradually decrease. The second exposure. When an organism is infected for the second time with the same pathogen, the white blood cells respond much more quickly, releasing the complementary antibodies rapidly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.